Hi everyone, it's Sammy from SecureSignals here. Just bringing you a new series where I'm basically going to be showing the analysis to some of my signals. I'm just going to be going through the setups and how I found them, etc. And for the specific signals, or like to follow the signals, there'll be a Telegram chat in the description below, so you can join that if you want. It's free of charge, and yeah, so there will also be I will give you the target profit, stop loss, but if there's any adjustments, or tell you to close the trade or get out the trade early or to let it run, all the specifics will be in my Telegram chat in the group below. So in the description below, sorry. And yeah, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the pair we're looking at is EURUSD. As you can see, got a lot of stuff going on here. Let me break it down for you. So the green lines are just some minor key levels on one hourly chart. The blue lines are daily, weekly support and resistance zones, and the red line is a monthly. So if I look at the monthly, so these red lines, just some trend lines. As you can see, it worked in this channel, formed a wedge, but broke through, went into this kind of pendant wedge type of situation, and it's just really just bouncing along this line here. I'm expecting further downwards momentum just because of the size of these wicks. They are showing it's showing that it does want to go up, but the resistance level here is too strong, and it's pushing it downwards. If I go into the weekly, so you can see here, you can see here there was a turning point here, hit the monthly support, and it's been trying to push up. And if we go back on the daily, as you can see on the daily, there was almost like a head and shoulders formation going on here. So that's the left shoulder, right shoulder, head. Price broke through the neckline, hit TP, and then is almost trying to reach back up to their neckline, which I'd say is around here. Price directly bounced off it yesterday and starting to head back down. If I draw and charts for a second, as you can see, I also think this is a bit of almost like a head and shoulders formation here as well. So if this was a neckline, you can see there's some more potential to go downwards. But price did break through yesterday, but it's showing that it wants to come down and doesn't actually want to go up anymore, because price has been going up for EURUSD for quite some time now. If I show you the channel it's been working through, where's it gone? Yeah, so I'll show you this channel here. As you can see, price is trying to go down, What I like to do when I draw my channel, so I've got a channel here, and then what I'd like to do is let's make these solid. Let me change the colour as well. Just change it. Change to orange quickly. Alright, so what I like to do is I like to add like a median line that goes through the center where resistance or support has been shown. So I think about there is okay. Make this one dotted, dashed. Yeah, so that's what I tend to do when I'm joining channels. So I will trade off this situation here. As I said, there's a potential neckline around here. If it breaks through this green line, then I expect further downwards momentum, even past this low here. As you can see, there's also lower highs going on here and lower lows. So what you have to do to trade, you have to build a story. So obviously here, price has been going up for quite some time, but it's reached its peak, it's reversed, and it's starting to follow downtrend here. It hit the support line of the trend here, and I'm 100% sure it's going to hit this green line here, and then depending on how it reacts, it will either rally around this area here and then push down, or just hit this line again and then work its way around the channel. I don't think it will break out anytime soon unless some serious fundamental situation occurs, like Donald Trump trying to bomb Korea or something like that. But yeah, so price has hit this, the resistance. So what I'll do is I would actually place a short option or short sell just around this area here, and put the first target profit by the median zone here. That's what I like to do. I like to take half my position out at the medium, and then I'd like to take a quarter out when it hits the other side of the trend line, and just in case of a breakout, I would let a quarter run for another until the next key level, to be honest. But in this situation, because the support of the trend line is almost reaching, it will probably be touching this key level here, so depending on how the candlestick closes, I will probably take the full position out at this support level here. So yeah, so if I just draw it in, short position, ideally you'd want to take it around this area here. A lot of support resistance around this area. Yeah, this line around 1.79. But if you wanted to enter in now, you probably could. So yeah, this is the trade. Oh, sorry. So this is the trade I'll be taking. It's around 300 pips, as you can see. So 1.8 ratio, risk reward to risk ratio 1.8 to 1. So yeah, it's a sell. Another way, if you want to look at this as a head and shoulder formation, you could even, what you do is you measure from the head to the neckline, and then from the neckline you measure out so if you took a TP around, so yes, so it's honestly it's the same. So the distance between the head to the neckline is also a way to trade the head and shoulders and how to pick your target profit. So if it breaks through the neckline, then you'd expect price to even reach down here. But because it's trading in a channel, and this head and shoulder formation is not actually as strong as this head and shoulder formation here. This one was a perfect one. This one broke the neckline here and pushed all the way down. The distance between here to here is the same distance between here to here. So that was actually a wonderful trade that was taken probably about a month ago, 2 months ago. And yeah, but I'd go for this trade here. It is a little bit more risky if you take it here and not wait for it to go back up to this resistance level, but I do feel that it will go down. I did put the stop loss just above this key weekly level here, but that's because just in case stop loss hunters hit the thing and it rallies around here, just gives a little bit more breathing space. Alright guys, so I'm going to put the specifics for this trade, the specific details for the trade in the description below. If you want to find any updates or just want to know more, just join our Telegram chat. You'll get my personal business numbers, so then you can personally message me. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye.